Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website name is WildFaucet. This is a website pay much more cryptocurrency for much more users, and this is brand new website. First of all, click this register button, put your username, email, username, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account. I have already an account, just I put my email address and my password, and just solve this little capture. It's too easy, and just click login, and I'm in my account. Okay guys, right now I'm in my account. I didn't earn anything from here. The first you click this for dash, and you can start earning from here. If you click this is the way you can earn. The first way is server 1. 50 times you can watch the advertisement from here, and you can earn some coin. You can see one server reward is 10 energy. This will be pay you energy, not anything else. First of all, just click all of the energy you have. First of all, solve this little captures to tell you a star. Just click a star in here. First, in this second one, just solve this little capture is 7, 8, and just click 1, and just click your energy. Click this one, this little one, and you can click your 10 energy from here, and you can claim again. After this much seconds you can claim again. 50 times claim your energy from here, and you can participate in the contest, and maybe you can be a winner to win much more. The next way is the server 2. You can easily come here in the server 2, solve a link. This it means short links. You can solve this short links, and this way server links pay you this much energy to solve all of the short links. You can see 20 energy. Just solve this one, just click it. You can easily solve this capture. It's not too hard. Just solve it. Wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds show you a capture. Just solve it, and you can click get the link on the continue button. You can easily make it, and this will be show me a next button, and just click a next button again. Okay, and another 10 seconds. Just I wait, and I come back, and you can see just click this one. It's too easy to, and you can see another 10 seconds. This will be counting down, and this may be the last one. I don't know. Just click this one, and in here found the continue button down below. Where's the continue button? Okay, just I click one at a time. And you can see I found the continue button. I just click it and wait few seconds in this page, and then I will redirect to the another link. I just click that link, and this is the last page to show me. Okay, and now you can see just click the get link. Okay, that's too easy. You can easily make your energy like this, and you can see my energy is increased. I earn 20 energy from here, and you can easily make another way. This is server 3 is coming soon. You can just click upgrade. You can upgrade it, and you can easily make from here. If you watch this much work in server 1 and watch this much time, you can easily make this much energy and this much RAM for your way. You can earn much more. This is the 2 game you can play. This is the networking. It's mean the PTC ads. You can watch the PTC ads, and you can earn some coins in dollar from here. No, sorry, this website have a little bit annoying me because of the advertisement this website have. And this website UEC page, just you can watch this all websites, okay. And the best way is a withdrawal. So I will be share with you the withdrawal. This website pay in Express Crypto, Faucet Pay, and Crypto.com and Coinbase, okay. And the minimum withdrawal in Express Crypto is this much, in Faucet Pay is this much, in Crypto is this much, and in Coinbase is this much, okay. You can easily, any cryptocurrency you just click you can withdraw. But I tell you one thing, the Express Crypto wallet orders is right now is not available, and after this will be available, I will be share with you the withdrawal proof in Express Crypto, but it's not available for right now. You can see in Faucet Pay just pay you in dogecoin. It is not too much good, but it's okay. You can put your wallet orders in here, and you can coin in here and just click withdraw. You can easily make your withdrawal. But I have a right now as a coin energy, just I click self-charging, and you can see you didn't have energy to start. Total energy is this much, charging taxi is this much energy, waiting time is this much, and you can earn this much amount just you if you have this much energy. It's not too hard to find. You can easily go to survey one, and you can just solve this 2 or 3 capture. You can easily make energy from here, and you can probably make much more amount from this website. But this website is a little bit annoying website because of the advertisement this website have about that. Maybe in the soon I will share with you a much more high amount of withdrawal proof from this website. This website have offer walls too, and after your level reach to level 2, you can easily make an offer wall. This in the 2 top 5 users, this is the contest. You can easily participate. Activate robot contest is this person have this much RAM, and its reward is this much USD. And this is the referral contest. You can see they would withdraw, and you can earn that much. The survey one contest, and this is the survey 2 contest, okay. And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link, join the website, and you can easily make money from this website. Bye bye for now.